Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with another interview question, and this question is specifically for the beginners who's learning SQL and they are in a starting phase. Okay, so let's read the question. So the question is we have to find top most five order dishes in a particular restaurant. Okay, so this is the table we have, and in the table you have certain orders like we have 20 orders and there are repetitive values, duplicate values in a dish name. So that means this dish is repeated multiple times as an order. Okay, so if butter chicken two quantity and the other butter chicken one quantity, butter chicken three quantity, but they order three times, but the total number of order is the maximum number value. If there is number maximum number value, so that means it is the highest value, highest order item. Okay, so let's find the top five most ordered dishes. Okay, so first of all we will find what are the dishes we have. Okay, so very simple dish name. Okay, now what we'll find some of the quantity. Okay, all right, and we will group by the dish names. Okay, so with the help of group by we can group the dish name values and aggregate the quantity values. Okay, so in the select statement we specify two columns, dish name and quantity. Dish name is as it is, but if we want to aggregate the value, so we'll use the group by. Let's run this. Okay, so these are the total dishes, total orders. Okay, so the most ordered dish is pav bhaji. Okay, so we have 10 orders for that. All right, so but we want the highest order, so we'll order this. Okay, order by sum. All right, so but the default order of the order by is ascending, but we want to see the highest values in the first as a first value. Okay, so the highest value is in the top value 10 8 6 3 3 3. Okay, so these are the dishes, most demanded dishes. Okay, as we can say count of orders. Okay, all right, so we want top five. Okay, so what we can do here is there are two ways with the help of we can extract the values. So the first one is CTE, with CTE as, and in the CTE we can't use the order by, because order by in this, if we use the order by in the CTE, so it will throw an error, because the CTE result set is a temporary result set. SQL expect that we will process this result set in a further manner. Okay, so that's why it throws an error. Most of the DBMS throws an error. So what we can do here is we'll write top 5 star from CTE and order by count of order DESC. Okay, so what it does here, so it will extract the values according to the orders. Okay, so first it will specify the order in a descending order, and then top 5 will be extracted from this result set. All right, so all the data will come here, and the top 5 before it will process the order by. The order by will sort the data according to the clause, and after that the top 5 values will be retrieved from this. Okay, so this is the first scenario how we can generate the output. But what we can do here is we without CTE we also can use this. Okay, so what we can do here is we can use the top 5 in the select statement. Okay, now what we can do here is we'll delete this, we will delete this, and we will delete this. So and we will use the order by sum. Okay, this is also the another way of doing this. Okay, so order by descending order. Okay, so that these are the two ways. So other ways are also there, like we can use the analytical function with the help of row number or rank or dense rank. so we can also generate the same output. All right, so this is the output we have, and if you have a better solution than this, please share it with me, and I would love to see your logics, and please do practice. And if you have any problem, just share it with me on a YouTube. Okay, so just put your queries in the comments. All right, I'll see that and I'll revert as soon as possible. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time and keep learning.